We are fixing up this windowsill with InstaTrim. This is a bit of an older house, of course, so there's gonna be some minor imperfections and some major ones here. There was clear caulking pieces that were old and applied poorly years ago, so we got that removed. You can go ahead and just scrape that caulking off, or you can soak it with a bit of acetone too if it's not coming up right away. Once you have all that prepped, we can get started. So we measured the windowsill, and we'll be using InstaTrim's brown corner pieces as well for this project. So those will sit in the base here, and they'll go right between the two trim pieces. And we actually want to leave a little bit of extra space because the corner pieces take up a little space there in the, that you'll need to account for. And then once we have that positioned in the way we like, we're gonna peel some more of the liner and just press the trim in place there. Starting to press just with our fingers, and then we'll grab the applicator tool in a second and use that to apply more pressure. You can see how much better this is already looking. Grab the applicator tool and use that to just apply enough pressure consistently across the whole face of the trim. Just like that, super simple. We'll take our last corner piece here. And we'll kind of just peel up the trim right there. Now that kind of anchors it in. And then next, we'll follow those same steps to apply trim vertically on the windowsill here. You can see how easy it is with the applicator tool to get a nice consistent edge there. You can see that the finished result looks way, way better. Obviously, there's still some imperfections in the wood, but the InstaTrim really helped clean up the whole space. It made it a nice, clean, consistent line across the whole window and will help with keeping out cold drafts, really complements the window and the wood well, and I'm thrilled with the results overall.